Oh. Huh? Huh?
Jimmy?
Howdy.
Jeremy's dead. I don't know what to do.
Whoa. What do you mean Jeremy's dead?
I shot him in the face, and now he's dead, and I don't know how it happened. It was an accident.
You shot Jeremy in the face?
Okay, yes, but it was an accident.
How do you shoot someone by accident?
I did it with my mouth. I don't know how.
Like with your tongue? You shot him with your tongue, Zack?
I don't know. I sneezed, and I shot him in the face, and now he's dead. And Jimmy, I'm running to your house now.
No,
Please
Zack,
help.
don't come to my house.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Why did you do this to me?
I'm sorry, it was an accident.
I've been viciously murdered by a freak of nature.
Okay, that's not nice at all, but I'm sorry. Okay, it was an accident. I don't know this is
Yeah,
a
well,
problem.
you know, sorry's not gonna take the bullet out of my f***ing chest, okay? I have a son named Bobby. I'm not gonna be there for him anymore. Cause you sick freak.
Oh my. What happened? Did you shoot him? No.
Yes, that is exactly what happened.
No, it was an accident. I didn't mean to.
I'm calling the cops. What?
No.
Zack, run.
I don't know. Hey, beautiful day. Oh, no. Look, Jimmy, all right, just
Zack,
listen to
you
me.
stay away from me. Look, you're an animal.
Can't control this, okay? I have allergies. It's been a long day.
Those are allergies of the devil.
Look, don't do this.
They're all over the news. Okay, the police are on their way. You can either surrender, or I'll be forced to shoot you.
I'm not surrendering.
Zack, I'm gonna count down.
Jimmy.
5,
Jimmy.
4, Zack, 3, 2, 1.
Was that a squirt gun?
I thought it was real.
I thought you were gonna shoot
You
me.
were like, oh my God.
I was like, he's gonna shoot me. That was a real gun. That's a good joke. That's a good joke. I give it to you.
You should get on, man. The cops are coming.
The cops are coming.
Yes, that's real.
They're real.
Your bullets were real. Mine were fake.
Okay. You're right. I killed a few people today.
Killed a lot of people.
You know?
Hey, tell Jeremy I said that.
Ah! I can't. I killed him.
Yeah. Hey, I can't breathe.
You're good fun, man. Gotta go. Cops are coming.
3 Amigos. Comedy.
Did not think this would be the way that I go out.
What do you mean? You'd be on a nice, enjoyable run with your sleeves on and your spandex, and all of a sudden you get shot by a sneezing lunatic?
Yeah. Did not see that one coming.
That makes 2 of us.